Mr. Stone, your hearing is deteriorating rapidly.
And the hearing that you have lost is not coming back.
I can't fucking hear you. Do you understand me? I can't. I'm fucking deaf. I'm fucking deaf.
There are implants.
Well, then let's do that.
It's a very involved process, and it's quite costly.
Then we'll come back. Till then, Lou, we just keep going, okay?
No.
How are you, Ruben? You should understand that this is a deaf community. I think it's important that you stay here with us right now, Ruben. Find some solid ground. Everybody here shares in the belief that being deaf is not a handicap, not something to fix.
I'm getting on a plane and you're gonna go back to that place.
Slow down.
Go back there right now! Promise, say it!
I need you to wait for me. Okay? You're it for me, Lou. You're my fucking heart. You're it for me. It's time. I gotta do something.
How'd you get the money? The world can be a damn cruel place.
I'm trying to save my life.
I wonder, have you had any moments of stillness? For me, those moments, that place, will never abandon.